Now, we've done the majority of this before, so we know that we have to actually create our player, and that once our player is created, we actually have to give it a value. And if you set it to a sprite, you get to use really cool game functions that are already made for you. So our inputs this time, we're going to do the same thing we did last time. It's going to move on left when we press the A button, right when we press the B button. So I want to make sure I grab my game. I want to make sure that I'm using the X value. There you go. Change is what we want because it sets it to itself. So we're going to change the player's X by -1. I think it's going to move it to the left. It does. And so, of course, changing it by 1 is going to make it move to the right. So always test it. Now, the only thing we haven't done is actually get it go up and down. So it's not quite clear, but if we use the shake, we can actually use a new function that we haven't used before. And that is our logo up and our logo down. Now, if we want a good indication of how that actually works, grab your icons and throw that in there. So when your logo is up, you'll get a heart icon. When your logo is down, you'll get an angry face. You'll see we can start to move this around. So logo up, we get that angry face. Logo down. Well, actually, for testing it, it kind of seems like it's inverted. It's all about where that logo is. So if you move your mouse to the top of the screen, you get your angry face because the logo is facing downwards. And if you put it towards the bottom, you get a heart because that logo is facing more up. It's actually all kind of relative. So this is down. You might want to invert your controls. It's up to you which one you use, whether it moves up or down. But do test that, give it a bit of a play. You might find you want to change it later. So I'm going to change my Y. I'm going to test it. Logo up. I don't like the fact that I have to move it like this to get it to go up. So I'm going to make it, when I put my mouse down at the bottom, it's going to move towards that. And I'm going to have it over here. And this one then is going to be my -1. So now when I play my game, I've got left, I've got right, I've got up, and I've got down. I am ready to move my character and to catch that dot.